If you're a fan of clicky switches that deliver a satisfying tactile feel with every keystroke, the Kailh Box Jade switches are an excellent choice. These switches are designed with a click bar mechanism that creates a distinctive click sound on both the downstroke and the upstroke, which gives you that old-school mechanical feel while typing. The result is a loud, deeply resonant click that's sure to please users who crave that auditory feedback with each press. Beyond the satisfying sound, the Kailh Box Jade switches are also built with a dust-proof stem design, which adds a layer of stability to the overall switch system. This feature ensures that the switches are less likely to suffer from dust buildup, which can affect the performance and longevity of other switches over time. For those who value a long-lasting, stable typing experience, this is a notable advantage. However, it's important to be aware that these switches are heavy, which is a characteristic that some people adore but others may find off-putting. The increased actuation force needed for each key press contributes to a more strenuous typing experience, especially if you're someone who types for extended periods or works on fast-paced tasks. While some users enjoy the added resistance for a more deliberate, controlled typing feel, those with lighter touch preferences or concerns about finger fatigue may want to explore alternatives, such as the Kailh Box White V2 switches, which are lighter in comparison. Out of the box, the Kailh Box Jade switches offer a thrilling typing experience. But if you're considering modding them, be aware that lubing the switches can mute some of the higher-pitched notes and ping that many users love. If you enjoy the full, raw sound and feel, it's probably best to leave them as is and experience the full clicky satisfaction. In summary, Kailh Box Jade switches are the go-to option for clicky switch enthusiasts. Their heavy feel and satisfying click make them an ideal choice for people who appreciate a loud, tactile typing experience. If you love the sound and don't mind a heavier switch, the Kailh Box Jade is a standout option that will make your keyboard stand out both in sound and performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.